Well, hi everybody. Good Thursday morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here. Well, some of you are probably waking up this morning thinking, where was the storm? What happened? Well, it played out actually pretty much as expected. If you've been watching my Facebook posts over the last day or two, and Tim's as well, we've kind of been trying to downplay the system a little bit. Very early this week, back on Sunday and Monday, this looked like this could be a pretty big deal, but the snow amounts have significantly lightened up with snowfall forecast models, and that's pretty much how it played out. We had some heavier snows out west where it got to 4 inches around the town of Brady near North Platte. Here around the Tri-Cities, about an inch or so. Farther east, maybe a little bit more than that. The snow is pretty much winding down at this point, and it was more about the wind than anything. That wind blowing the snow around did make it a little tough to see out there at times, but certainly not a blizzard situation out there by any means. Now, we focus on the wind and the cold that has returned to the area. Now, first off, though, we do have winter weather advisories that continue through noon for most of all of the area, pretty much, except for the winter storm warning in Republic County, Kansas, through noon. I would not be surprised, though, if many of these counties kind of get canceled from it a little bit early, as the snow's already done in the Tri-Cities north and westward, and will be wrapping up by the mid to late morning farther to the east here. So again, as we check things out, cold, windy conditions out there through the day today. Again, that snow could last around, say, Beatrice through about 10 o'clock or so. By noon, the snow is done for everybody. Sunshine is quickly going to work in behind this cloud cover that clears out of here. So we're actually going to see quite a bit of sun today, but it will be deceiving. Cold conditions, most of us in the teens, wind chills in the single digits and teens below zero for much of the day today. Now the winds do die back as we head through the overnight hours tonight, but it does remain on the cold side overnight tonight. Now we'll see clear skies initially, but then clouds will start to roll in later in the night. Now as we get into tomorrow, we'll get another quick moving clipper system that comes in, this time out of the northwest, and these clipper systems are usually pretty moisture starved. Now the good news is there's not as much wind with this either. So as this moves through, we have a small chance of snow in the morning. Now this forecast model is really underplaying the snow. It's not showing much. Most forecast models bring at least some light snow into the area. Small chance tomorrow morning, a better chance tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening, and I could see about an inch or so of snowfall out of the system here between tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. Maybe some places localized up to 2 inches. So not a major significant concern, especially when you factor in the fact there's not much wind. But again, wouldn't be surprised if some of you actually get more snow out of this clipper system than what we just got out of this storm system that moved through overnight last night and early this morning. Otherwise, we're just kind of stuck with cold conditions through the first half of the weekend. It is going to be cold today. Most of us stuck in the teens. I would not be surprised to see a few single digits for highs up to the northeast. Clearing skies, north-northwest winds 20 to 30 miles per hour. And that's going to bring those wind chills down below zero for most locations. We may sneak in some 20s out west, but a few teens elsewhere. Teens to near 20 in Phillipsburg, Kansas. That snow ending already. Clearing skies out there now. I messed up with this graphic here. There's no patchy fog to the east, but still a little bit of snow, mostly cloudy. We will get some sunshine in eastern Nebraska this afternoon. Temperatures stuck in the teens for highs. Next several days here, again, windy conditions as the snow pushes east this morning. We're stuck with the windy and cold conditions, then just plain cold here without the wind the next few days. Another round of that light snow coming in Friday, especially Friday afternoon and Friday night. Saturday dry, cold still. Now Saturday night after midnight, another round of very light snow comes into play before sunrise Sunday. Sunday during the day looks dry, partly cloudy, and actually warmer. We get close to 40, so 30s and 40s for highs. Then we get another round of light snow that comes in Sunday night and into Monday morning. This could drop another quick inch of snow or so. And behind that, another shot of cold air for Monday, another breezy and cold day for Monday. Tuesday still cold after starting off sub-zero. We see highs only in the teens, back into the 20s to near 30 on Wednesday. There are signs that beyond Wednesday, for Thursday, Friday at least, we may finally get those temperatures back above average into the 30s, 40s, and 50s in the area. So that would be nice to get that milder air back into play. So again, last night's storm, more of a dud than anything. It was more about the wind than it was the snow with that system. Now, we just got to deal with the cold and the wind as we go through the day today. So there you go. There's your forecast for today. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski. I hope you have an awesome Thursday. I will see you all again on Monday. Jan will be filling in for me for tomorrow. So until then, God bless.